Well, got a little bit of a, I guess you could say, a little bit of a sad video to make here. Came to my attention very recently that Jim Bennett has passed away. Um, Jim Bennett was actually, I'd consider a friend. If you've watched the channel for any period of time, you know I actually sold him his 71 satellite. Drove 12 hours, I believe, down to see him and deliver that satellite and do all kinds of stuff. And I can say Jim, in my opinion, I think he was just a really good guy. I'd consider him a friend. Really nice guy overall. Showed us around his shop and sat down in his office and talked for, it was probably only 45 minutes to an hour, but it just felt like hours. Felt like I really got to know him a little bit. I wouldn't say we were really close friends or anything like that, but we definitely had a lot of things going on back and forth that we had in common, as well as No Name Nationals. He called me out. He's going to do his satellite versus my 66 Belvedere. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to get that race now, but you know, it's always a very unfortunate series of events whenever you lose somebody within this kind of community that we have and within friendship too. So just wanted to kind of make this, and I don't know, just kind of, I don't know, I'm just kind of at a loss for words. But I know Jim's in a better place, and I know things will work out in the end, and we'll see you again one day.